Hi, Mark from Post and Wax. Thanks for tuning in again. New week, another new car. Lovely Skoda VRS in for ceramics. Again, the owner has opted to give this the best start in life. He has prevented the dealership from washing the vehicle. The vinyls will be removed, the paint will be inspected, and any defects will be polished out, leaving an absolutely crisp surface for us to ceramic coat. This is going for 5-year graphene from Autobead, as well as 5-year ceramic on wheels, caliper and suspension components, and we'll also ceramic coat the glass as well. So before I do anything, we will remove these vinyls and take a walk around video inspecting the damage that's already present. Thanks again for tuning in. There we go. See all the bar in the whole way. Lights, you can see them. Piano blacks. All marked. Skoda is now complete. 5-year ceramic coating on the paint, 5-year ceramic on the wheels, calipers, suspension components, arches. Now we'll do the quick walk around and show you the results that we've achieved. Thanks again.